What's going on YouTube? Today I got this 2014 Dodge Avenger with a 3.6 liter V6. Customers complaining of a creaking and popping noise on takeoff on the right side. Anyways, I've diagnosed this as a broken motor mount. And the way to check it is have an assistant sit in the car and put it in drive with his foot on the brake and chalk your wheels and watch the engine. And when he power brakes it, the engine will jump up from whatever mount's broke. And the most common problem on these is these lower mounts, and I can see they've been done. These mounts don't go bad quite as often, but usually the reason why they go bad is because when those break, people wait too long to replace them, and that takes all the stress and ends up breaking that one as well. Because I replaced much more of those. I didn't do those, someone else did, but I've replaced a ton of those over the years on the minivans, any of the vehicles with the 3.6 liter front wheel drive. This is probably only the second or third time I've done this mount. And I'm gonna quit talking, and I'm gonna show you how to do this today. I got a lot of work to do, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you can make videos like this to make your life easier. I got the part already, customer's waiting, so let's get this done. Pull this cover off, no bolts. All right, need to get this coolant bottle and all this crap out of our way, so just take us a 13 millimeter here. Take your power steering line off the bottle. Let's go ahead and take our reservoir, get that out of our way. This other bolt on the reservoir, the coolant reservoir. Now it don't matter, these bolts are all the same, so you can't mix them up. And this sits down on like just a little hole right there. Just kind of lean that out of our way. Try to take loose as little as possible. That's the name of the game. Try not to open the system up in any way. Get that trapped right there. And a little ground strap right here. We could probably actually leave that on because we're going to be reusing that bracket, so let's just leave that alone. That's weird. Why wouldn't they have that bolted down? Whatever. I didn't build the car. Alright, what size are these? Those are 13s, I'm thinking. Let's get an impact 13. Those are going to be a little tighter. Before I take this bracket completely off, these 3 bolts right here, the main bolts, and put a jack up under the oil pan with a block of wood because the engine's going to drop down a little bit. Slide that bad boy up under there, right on the oil pan. Just jack it up just enough to where it's touching, supporting the motor. Once you start seeing the front end lift up a little bit, you're good. Alright, what size are those? 17 or 18? No. I was wrong. Maybe it's a 16. My eyes are deceiving me today. No, maybe it's a 15. Wow, I'm way off. Usually I'm pretty good at judging bolts. No, it's a 16. It met me in the middle. See how much the engine just dropped down when I took that bracket off? We just kind of tuck that out of our way. Now just pop this bad boy off. Looks like the same size. Maybe not, or maybe I'm just not on it good. Kind of loose on there. Yeah, it's a 15. They want to keep surprising me with all different sizes. Alright, I've taken note of the position of the mount. It looks similar, but it's not. It's clocked that way. The shorter ends go towards me. this. See how broke it is? All them cracks in there. You should have seen the engine jumping up and down. I want to see something real quick before I lock those bolts down. I'm going to get these started. That way if I need a little wiggle room, let's jack the engine up just a little bit. We'll get all these started, then I'll run them all down at once. Boom. Now we can start running them down, boy. It's weird why they made those a 16 and the other ones a 15. Makes no sense to me. But this is Dodge we're talking about. Sorry, y'all. I'm just not a big Dodge fan, but I'll show you how to fix them because I work on them a lot. Not complaining. Makes my paycheck. All right, boys. That's how you do it. See how quick that was? Totally do that in your driveway in about 10 minutes. If you have power tools. Let me tuck that under there. Put your line on. Lock them all down. Boom. That's how I do it, y'all. Take your jack out. Look back over yourself, making sure everything's tight. Take it for a test drive, make sure this noise is gone. And hand the keys back to the customer. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all know what to do. Check like, subscribe. Have a good day. Peace out.